Overthinking can seem harmless, but it often leads to several negative consequences. Here are some of the main risks associated with overthinking. Overthinking first increased stress and anxiety, which means constantly worrying about every possible outcome. Overthinking can lead to heightened stress and anxiety, making it difficult to relax and enjoy life. Overthinking secondly impact as decision paralysis. Overthinking can make it hard to make decisions, as you may get stuck weighing every possible option and outcome. This paralysis can lead to missed opportunities and delays in taking action. Overthinking thirdly reduced productivity. Spending too much time thinking about what could go wrong or how to perfect every detail can take away time from actually completing tasks, leading to decreased productivity. Overthinking plays negative impact on mental health. Overthinking is often linked to negative thought patterns, which can contribute to mental health issues like depression and low self-esteem. It causes sleep disturbances. Excessive worrying and rumination can make it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep, leading to sleep deprivation and its associated health problems. It strains relationships and can cause you to misinterpret others' actions or words, leading to unnecessary conflicts and strained relationships. Stress of overthinking causes physical health issues. It creates chronic stress and anxiety from overthinking can manifest in physical symptoms such as headaches, muscle tension, digestive problems, and a weakened immune system. Stress and anxiety may cause of missed opportunities. When by focusing too much on potential risks and negative outcomes, you may miss out on opportunities for growth, learning, and new experiences. Reduced creativity. Overthinking can stifle creativity and innovation, as it often leads to rigid thinking and fear of failure. A person suffering overthinking has lowered confidence at constantly doubting yourself and overanalyzing situations. Can erode your self-confidence, making it harder to take risks and trust your instincts. We have to set some techniques and strategies to overcome setting, practicing mindfulness, and seeking support from others can help you. Time limits for decision making. Focusing on positive outcomes. Getting good sleep and break the cycle of overthinking and lead a more balanced, healthy, happy and fulfilling life.